Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer domain in Shopify. So just simply, if you want to transfer the domain, just go to settings and now here find the domain. Now after that, just so in older version you can easily find the option transfer domain here, but now here you cannot find the transfer domain option. So in order to transfer the domain you have to buy a premium package. So here you can just buy a new domain, just type the domain, and after when you successfully added the domain and you add the payment method, so just click on this. So by completing all the payment process you will be able to transfer the domain. So here you can see we have simply added our domain. In order to transfer domain, just buy the premium package.